Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative terminal, because that prevents shorts. Then remove corrosion with a wire brush and a baking soda rinse to neutralize acid. Once the posts are clean and dry, apply a thin film of battery grease to the terminal posts and clamp interiors to prevent recorrosion. Make sure to avoid excess. About a pea-sized amount per contact is enough, so connectors still seat properly and electrical resistance stays low. Once the grease is ready, you should apply it evenly with a small brush or your gloved finger. This ensures full coverage of the metal-to-metal contact and blocks moisture. After coating the post and the clamp interior, reseat the connector and tighten to manufacturer torque or snug, plus a quarter turn so you don't strip threads. Make sure to keep grease off vent caps and sensors. That preserves proper venting and avoids contaminating electrical sensors that monitor the battery. To finish, wipe any excess grease away so dirt won't accumulate, then double-check that the clamp is tight and the terminal doesn't move. Once done, start the engine and verify lights and accessories work. Measure voltage if available to confirm good connections. If you see recurring corrosion or poor contacts, the grease masks symptoms. Inspect the charging system, replace pitted clamps, and ensure the posts aren't cracked. That solves the root cause rather than repeatedly treating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.